Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to be removing and reinstalling a rear inside door handle on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, I'm going to take this window switch bezel out. I'm just going to use a pick right here. There's a little cover that's under here. Pull this cover up, set it aside. Take a Phillips head screwdriver. We want to take that screw out. Take that screw out. We're going to take a trim tool. Just try to pry underneath here. There's a little clip that holds it in back there, and then come to the front. Pry that up. There's a clip in the front as well. Pull that up. We want to disconnect the electrical connector right there. Just push down there and pull it off. I'm going to just take a pick. There's a little cover right here. We want to take that cover off. Get underneath here and just pull it forward. Just pry it out like that. I want to take this screw out. We're going to use a T30 socket extension and a ratchet. Loosen this up. Oops. Pull that screw out. I'm going to take these 3 Phillips head screws out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, take that screw out. Now I want to pop the door panel off. There's these pins that go around the perimeter of the door. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath the panel. Pop these out. Just like that. Once they're all popped out, we can grab the door panel, just slide up. Now we want to disconnect this latch, this cable from the inner door latch. Just slide this part like that. Slide this cable out, just slide it up. All right, to remove this door handle, we'll just take a straight blade screwdriver, slide it behind here, push on that clip. Actually, if you use your fingers, you might be able to do it. Push those clips down and then push the whole handle through the front, take it out. To install this door handle, I'm just going to flip this inside panel over. We'll line this up. We're going to install this side first, slide that in position, hold up the panel, and lock it down. And then we'll take this cable. This is going to line up right here, and then slide right on the latch. Get the lock rod to go through that hole there. And then we want the top part of the door panel to slide over here, just like that. And then make sure all the tabs are lined up. Once the tabs are lined up, just give it a tap. Just like that. Now I'm going to install these Phillips head screws right here. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. And then right here as well. I'll take this screw, it's a torque screw, tighten it with a T30 extension and a ratchet. And just snug that up, not too tight, it is in plastic. Take this cover, line this cover up like this. And just push it in. Now we'll take this switch, connect it right here to the wiring harness, line that up, and then push it down, Remember there's these tabs right here. They're gonna line up the little retainers that hold it in place. Lock it down in place. Take this Phillips head screw with a screwdriver, get this started, and then we'll snug it down. We'll take this little trim cover, put that right back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.